Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our TV program Success Story. Today, we are going to talk about an inspiration, Sacient Marino Morikawa.
Frank Marino Morikawa is a Peruvian Japanese environmental scientist. He is a known because he uses science and technology to clean pollution water and recover natural ecosystems.
Marino studied in Japan at University of Tsukuba. He, he has you he has been interested in nature, science and the environment. He has worked for many years to protect water and natural life.
One important event is conceptualized in 2010. He found out that El Cascajo wetland in rural Peru was experiencing pollution. This latest
When,
was
when Beret returned to Peru, he saw that our wasteland was almost dead. They weren't smelled bad. There were many invest plants and many birds and fish that disappeared, lo cual also is the not find and clear sounds at that time.
forever Marino did not give up his visit to work beyond problems. So he returned to Peru and started scientific projects to clean wetlands.
First she studied the water, the soil and causes oil pollution. Then she used micro and nano bubbles and biofilters. This technology helps clean water without use chemical products.
In addition, local people helped remove invasive plants for the wetlands. After months of hard work, the wetland started to recover. Birds and fish come back and the place became a legal land.
Marino Morikawa has already helped recover El Cascajo wetland. Since that achievement, he's continued working on environment projects in Peru. He has not stopped projects nurture yet.
This award is important because water pollution is a serious problem in Peru and around the world. On the other hand, his story shows that one person's knowledge, discipline, and courage can make a big difference.
The lesson we have learned from Marino Morikawa is that success is not only about money or fame. He has not worked only personal recognition, he has worked to help people project nature and creating solutions for society.
Conclusion, Marino Morikawa is an example of perseverance, intelligence, and love for the environment.
His story inspired us to care for our rivers, lakes, wetlands, and natural resources.
Also reminds us that with resolve, with our efforts to solve every problem. Sometimes we can be part of the solution. Thank you.
Goodbye.